Everyone, this is Mahendra. In this video, we are going to learn about median. Okay, right. So, median of the data. So, in the previous videos, we have learned about data and frequency and mean also. Okay, so let's go for median. So, what is median actually? Suppose you have a data 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 2 3 4 5. Okay, this is your data. Okay, right. So you have to arrange this data into ascending or descending. So ascending or descending order. Okay, ascending or descending order, right? If you arrange in ascending or descending, what becomes? Let us see. Yeah, there is no space actually, so I'm writing here, right? So it becomes 1 comma 2 comma 2 and 3 2 times 3 comma 3, again 4 2 times 4 comma 4, next 5 comma 5 6 7. So 1 comma 2 comma 2 3 comma 3 4 comma 4 5 comma 5 6 comma 7. This is the data arranged in ascending order. Suppose if you arrange in descending order, it becomes 7 6 5 5 4 4 3 3 2 2 1. This is the descending order and this one is ascending order. Okay, right. Yeah, so I will erase the screen first. So yeah, once again I'm writing in ascending order. Yeah, what is that? 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3 comma 3 comma 4 comma 4 comma 5 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7. Okay, 6 comma 7 is the data. So when we arrange in ascending order or descending order, the middlest value. So how many numbers here? Look at here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So we have 11 numbers. Out of 11, we have to choose a middlemost value. So which is the middle one? Yeah, this is the middle one, isn't it? Is it middle one? Yeah, here it is 5 numbers and 5 numbers. Yes, this 4 is the median of the data. Yeah, now what we can say? Yeah, the middlest or the most middle, or simply we can say the middle value of the data is called median of the data when we arrange in ascending order or descending order. Okay, so what we have to do first? We have to write the data in ascending or descending order. Okay, if you see from this side, from this is the descending order and this is the ascending order. If you come from here also, this is the 4, this 4 is the middle value only. Okay, so that is the median of the data. So here let us see, 11 is the odd number. So if it is odd number, I am giving you directly one formula. N plus 1 by 2 is the median. Did you get my point? Yeah, so we have 11 observations. Yeah, this is the data given. In this data we have 11 observations. That 11 is odd number. So due to that odd number, this n plus 1 by 2 is the formula. So n is nothing but number of observations. Okay, n is nothing but number of observations. How many number of observations we have? N equals 11 we have. Okay, substitute this n plus 1, 11 plus 1 by 2, that becomes 12 by 2, 12, 2 1s are 2 6 are 6. The sixth observation, we got 6 here. Sixth observation is our median. Coming here, 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, this is the sixth observation. Obviously we get again same answer. What is that? 4 is the median. Okay, right. This is the median when the number of observations are odd number. Okay, right. Yeah, coming to one more data. Yeah, take 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 9 and 10 and 5 again. Yeah, here see 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 5. So this is the given data. So you have to find the median. Let us count first whether it is even or odd. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We have 8 observations. 8 is a even number. In the previous slide we have seen median for odd number of observations. Here we got even number of observation. What we do now? Yes, we have another formula here. So before going to that, we shall try to arrange in ascending order. Yeah, 4 5. Again we have one more 5. Write down here 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, right. So if the number of observations is even, yeah, what we do is n by 2 comma n by 2 plus 1 n by 2 comma n by 2 plus 1 observations average is our median. Okay, n by 2 or n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th observations average. Let's take what is n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1. N by 2, so 8 by 2, that is nothing but 4. 2 1s are 2 4s are. Okay, and next n by 2 plus 1. N by 2 already we got 4, so 4 plus 1, that is nothing but 5. So the 4th and 5th observations average is our median. I hope you understood this. The 4th and 5th observations average is our median. So I am erasing the screen. Note down all these things. Right. So what is our data? 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10 comma 5. Is it this? Yes. So arrange in ascending order. 4 comma 5 comma 5 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10. Okay, so n by 2 comma n by 2 plus 1th observations average is our formula. Okay, so n equals to 8 we have. So it means 8 by 2 comma 8 by 2 plus 1th observations average. 2 1s 2 4s are 2 1s are 2 4s are 4 comma 4 plus 1. So 4 comma 5th and 4th observations average, that is nothing but, yeah, what is that? What is the 4th observation? See, 1 2 3 4. Yeah, 4th observation is 6. So 6 plus 5th observation, that is 7 by 2. So what is the average formula? Sum of observations by number of observations. Okay, so we have two numbers. Okay, sum of these two by 2. So what is that? 13 by 2. 2 1s are 2. 6.5 we get. Okay, this 6.5 is the median of this data. Here one question arises again. What is that question? So this 6.5 not in this data. Yes, obviously the median need not to belongs to the given data. Okay, it is not necessary whether it is present in the data or not. Okay, yes, this 6.5 is the median of the data. Okay, so everything is important what I am telling here. Right, I told you two things now. What is that? Yeah, three things. One is median is the middle value of the data, and one more thing, median is a, yeah, I will write here. I have told you three things. Median is nothing but middle value of the data. Number two, if n is odd, n plus 1 by 2th observation is median. Okay, if n is even, n by 2 comma n by 2 plus 1th observation is a median. And one more thing, what is that? The median need not be present in the data. Okay, whether it is present or may not be present. Okay, it may be present or may not be present. Okay, right, these four things are very important. Right, I hope you understood these things. Right, let us see one example. Yeah, see here, find the median of 9 observations. Yeah, this is the data. So ascending order of the data, this is ascending order of the data. Number of observations are 9. Okay, so what is the median formula? Yeah, just now we have seen n plus 1 by 2th observation is our median. So n is nothing but 9. So 9 plus 1 by 2, that is 10 by 2, 2 ones are 2 5s are. Yeah, the fifth observation is our median. Okay, what is the fifth observation? Look at here, 1 2 3 4 5. 35 is the fifth observation. Okay, this 35 is the fifth observation. That is our answer. That is our median. I hope you understood. Okay, we'll discuss in the remaining topics in the next video. Thank you.